Here we are outside World of Disney. This is on deck 5 of the ship. In fact, if you notice, there are 2 sides and 2 doors to this very same store. Don't get it mixed up with World of Disney 2, which is all the way at the aft of deck 5 as well. So the merch in both sides of the World of Disney merch store is a little bit different. I'm going to bring you in, let's take a look, and I'll share with you the prices along the way as well. Let's go! Here there are headbands with different Disney Cruise Line characters. These will be $39.99. Also, all the prices here are all in USD. Yeah, you have some cups like this. This is $24.99. You have exclusive Disney Cruise Line pins. It is a silver pricing, so later I'll show you, I'll add in a picture of like what is the price for the different categories. This one is pink, which is a different category as well. You also have 2026 pin, this one is yellow. And here we also have Inaugural sailing stationery kit. They sell sticky pads, washi tape, notepads, etc. That one is $24.99, and there are also the non-exclusive ones. This is also the same price, $24.99. It's Disney Cruise Line exclusive, and it's just some notepads, sticky tabs, and some stickers and pen. We have here also Disney Adventure bag. This is $49.99. They have a nice thick cardigan here. This one is $69.99. The collared shirt which says here Disney Adventure, and all these are embroidered, not printed. Here we have the Maiden and Inaugural special merchandise. This one says here Inaugural Sailing. Very nice. This is $44.99. We have here also the Maiden Voyage cap. This one is $39.99. And this one is Inaugural Sailing bucket hat. So inside is also the same color. This one's $29.99. Here we have some pouches, key pouches. These are teal, so the prices here will state based on the color. So teal is $17.99, and then there's also another coin pouch which has the castle and Captain Mickey. This one is also same price, $17.99. We have also some magnets. This one is red, which is $15.99. We have also magnets. This is teal. Okay, wow, this is nice. Porcelain cups, Disney Cruise Line branded, and it says Maiden Voyage 2026. This is $24.99. And then we also have here some collection books for souvenir medallions. So they do sell souvenir medallions in San Francisco Street, deck 7. This one is $17.99. Here we have also a very nice hoodie. So in front it says Disney Adventure, behind Inaugural Sailings. And this one is priced at $69.99. Here we have here also the bronze figurine. So this is exclusive to Disney Adventure because there is a wishing well with Snow White here in the near the guest service area. So every single cruise has its own sort of bronze statue. Here we have the Disney Adventure Inaugural Sailing. So this one is pretty special because on this side is white with gold embroidery and it's fully reversible. Look how cool! The cost is $39.99. Here we also have the autograph book. This one is magenta price, so you can even add in photos. Just now that one was also same color in turquoise, but that one says Inaugural Cruising. This one says Maiden Voyage, so really special. Same price, so this is $44.99 as well. Here we have a hanging ornament made of ceramic. This is $26.99. It says here Maiden Voyage. Something to hang on your Christmas tree this year. This is a tote bag that says Disney Adventure Maiden Voyage, and it's fully reversible. So on the other side it shows Captain Mickey and Captain Minnie, and this one is $59.99. So these are limited edition merch that you can buy during the Maiden Voyage. I'm not certain whether there will be still any remaining after this trip. So if you are sailing for the next few sailings and they do have it, grab it. Here we have also a thermal flask. This is $34.99. Disney Adventure with all the friends, Captain Mickey, Minnie. Same design here. We have hoodie, and this one is $69.99. Very nice soft material. Same design here. This t-shirt, this one is $29.99. Okay, here we also have so it's similar. This one says Inaugural Sailings, but this one is a little bit thicker and it's a long sleeve top. This one is $54.99. Here we have kids shirts as well. These are $29.99 for this design. And there's also long sleeve, but this is a hoodie. Okay, and this one costs $49.99 for kids. The t-shirts here, they are also specially stating Disney Adventure. So the white one here and the blue one, the turquoise, both are $34.99. One of the cheaper shirts in this store. And they also have a red one. This one is $42.99. This is special because it says it shows the Singapore skyline behind. You have got the Peranakan buildings, the Art Science Museum, Singapore Flyer, so on and so forth. So this one is a little bit, the Disney Adventure words are embroidered, it's a bit different. If you are looking for a youth t-shirt, or if you are really short and petite, you wish to wear something smaller, this is $24.99. It saves you some cost as well. They have Captain Mickey and Captain Minnie on this blue turquoise, and red, it has more characters on it. These are printed on, so just be careful when you're washing them. Here we have the exclusive ship model. This is $69.99. And moving on, we have the Spirit jersey. This one is $89.99. So it has Captain Mickey here, and it says Adventure, all in gold foil. Here we have special Disney Adventure years, and these are all shiny and golden, and it feels like leather, and very nice suede inside here. This is $39.99. So for $95, this Loungefly bag is actually very good quality. It has the stern characters. We have Captain Mickey and Minnie. It says Disney Adventure. Yeah, so the gold here is very nice leather, and the ears are special. It's transparent, so like to mimic the windows in the room. So something really special that you can get on board, and if you're fast enough, is this frame here that you see, and there's the steel Mickey ears and it's numbered. There'll be a special number, and these are all limited because there are 400 pieces of these Mickey ears. So why is this steel so special? Because this steel is actually used during the construction of the ship itself. So these are limited to 400 pieces. If you are early enough, come and grab that. The cost is $399 USD. Here we have another Inaugural merch, but this time round we are at the other side of the merch store. This one, it says Disney Adventure Inaugural Sailing. It's kind of like a sling pouch that has a pocket in front, and you can keep your belongings inside, your key to the world card, whatsoever. This is $29.99. Another interesting merch here would be, it's like a keychain with this clasp that you can hang on your bag, your pouch, wherever. It says Disney Adventure Inaugural Sailings. So this is something special that you can only get in inaugural season. This is the back, how it looks like. It's $17.99. So these are all the Inaugural sailing or Maiden sailing merchandise that you can buy on board.